No, there's no power. We might have a bad battery. Gotta wrestle with the anaconda, man.
All right, folks, here's the story. We went to go leave today. You probably saw already, our battery has died on the RV, which means, well, it means a lot of things, but mainly we can't put the hitch up and down. So instead of heading to our next destination, excuse me, today we are going to try and find a new battery here in town. We're in Florence, Oregon, and that way we can get that handled and get back on the road. And that's how it is with RV life. You just go with the flow. Here's the good news. We found an auto supply place a half a mile from the place where we were staying at, the RV park. So Bob's in right now trying to find a battery. Let's hope they have it. They should. As many as RVs are around this town, they should have something. Fingers crossed. So the new scoop is Bob's undoing the battery to take it in and test it just to make sure it is dead before we put the money into a new one. So let's hope it's that simple. That would be great. Today we're at the Tillamook Cheese Factory, right?
Yep.
What are we gonna find?
We're gonna find cheese curds and ice cream and
Fun.
who knows what else.
And it's packed, so let's see what happens.
It's busy.
Yeah, everyone wants the same thing as we do.
Yep, but when you're in Tillamook, you gotta stop.
So this is the Tillamook Creamery. We do a tour and cheese tasting. Reservations are all done online. We do have certain slots as well available 7 days a week. But yeah, just make a reservation online, see what we have available. We do have our cheese and tour tasting and our ice cream experience.
And these are self-guided tours?
Yeah, so these are audio devices so that when we give out the tours, people can hear us clear because of all the noise that's going around here. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, you're welcome.
What's your name?
My name is Duncan Fernandez.
Welcome to the elevator. What is it, Bob?
Cheese curds!
Where are you?
Tillamook in the elevator! even cows have scratching things and itching like a cat post. Guess what? Oh, damn, that feels good.
Here we go. Got to take care of the babies. Let's see. Brown Swiss cows. These big, beautiful gray-brown cows have distinctive hairy ears. I know someone else like that. We're in line now for cheese tasting. You get a free sample, and I think there's 3 cheeses we can choose from today. Medium cheddar, sharp cheddar, looking at the board, and smoked black cheddar. That would be my favorite.
Smoked black?
Yeah.
Sounds good, doesn't it?
Which one would be yours?
I think the smoked black sounds really good.
We like pepper. Hey there.
Hi.
How are you?
Good, how about you?
Good. What's your favorite?
I personally like the smoked black pepper because it's more commonly seen in just Tillamook than where you would see it anywhere else. So it's kind of a rarity.
Oh.
You can grab one of each flavor.
Okay. These are cheese curds. See? My husband was talking about these for years, about Tillamook and coming and getting these. So guess what we're leaving with? Cheese curds.
Oh. Well, here we are. We're at the ice cream place. You get a free freezer travel bag when you buy 2 custard pints of the ice cream. So for those of us that are in trailers, good way to go.
Wow, what happened, Tony?
Trouble. So much good stuff in there. Yes, we bought lots of stuff at Tillamook. Cheese, ice cream, soda stuff. Oh my God, so much in there.
Look at it going in.
Guess where it's going? To our tummies. We left Tillamook this morning. Guess who else is here? It's my honey.
Join us today. We're going up to Haystack Rock. We're going to Astoria and ending somewhere in Washington. Don't even
Somewhere
know the name
up
of the
there.
city.
We don't know where we're going.
But come along.
We made Haystack, and that's all that matters. Sorry, the thing is shaky because I shake like a leaf. Anyway,
Here we go.
come along.
We made it down. Let's see if I can turn around and show you. Sorry. Didn't mean to laugh. My husband almost fell. Anyways, we're down here. I'm hoping you can see it. We're at Haystack. Now we're gonna walk along the beach before we have a heart attack walking back up.
This sand is a booger to walk in. Probably 500-600 foot of beach here that's just hard packed sand. We're headed toward Haystack Rock. There's Mrs. Wonderful doing her walk. This was definitely on her bucket list to stop. So we found a turnout to see this big rocks. Beautiful down here.
Okay, now we go back up those stairs. Ugh. I can do it. I can do it.
Talk to me, babe. You gonna make it? Hey, what do you think? What do you think? What do you think? Oh my God.
A little bit more.
A little more, not much. Oh, I gotta stop.
We're gonna save Arcata. It's a little tough here. So we're just gonna go over the big bridge. But I wanted to show you this house museum while we're here. Pretty cool. Here's the cute little downtown area of Astoria. I don't think we'll be stopping though, unless we find parking. Washington!